Today, I am reviewing Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to staying cool during the hot summer months, a reliable air conditioner is an absolute must. And today, we're taking a closer look at the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a powerful, versatile, and user-friendly cooling solution that promises comfort, convenience, and smart technology all in one sleek unit. Let's start with performance, because that's the first thing most of us look at when buying an air conditioner. The Shinco unit comes with a cooling capacity of 12,000 BTU, ASHRE, or 7,500 BTU, SACC, which is more than enough to cool spaces up to 400 square feet. That means whether you're using it in a bedroom, living room, office, or even a small studio apartment, you can expect fast and consistent cooling. The adjustable temperature range runs between 60 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you plenty of flexibility to set your comfort zone, just the way you like it. But cooling is not all the Shinco Portable AC can do. One of its standout features is its 3-in-1 functionality. Aside from the cooling mode, you also get a fan mode for simple air circulation and a dry mode, which works as a dehumidifier. And this isn't just any dehumidifier. It can remove up to 43 liters of moisture per day. This is a huge plus if you live in a humid climate because it not only keeps the air cooler, but also prevents that sticky, uncomfortable feeling that comes with excess humidity. The self-evaporating system makes it even more convenient, reducing the hassle of constantly emptying water buckets. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of this AC, the Smart Life app control. With just a quick Wi-Fi setup, you can connect the Shinco Portable Air Conditioner to your smartphone and control it from anywhere. Imagine being able to turn on your AC while you're still on your way home, or adjusting the temperature without leaving your couch. You can power it on or off, set fan speeds, and tweak the temperature all from the app. It's modern, convenient, and makes the whole experience far more enjoyable. Of course, Shinco also made sure that the unit is easy to use for everyone. There's a LED display and a remote control with a range of up to 23 feet, so you can adjust settings from across the room. It even comes with a swing function to distribute cool air more evenly and a 24-hour timer, so you can schedule it to turn on before you wake up or shut off automatically when you go to sleep. Installation is another big plus. Many people worry about portable AC units being complicated to set up, but Shinco has kept it simple. The unit includes a window sealing kit and a 59-inch exhaust hose, so you don't need any extra tools. Just place the kit on your sliding window, attach the hose, and you're ready to go. And since it's compact and lightweight with built-in casters, you can easily roll it from room to room whenever you need cooling in a different area. Noise levels are another concern for many buyers, especially if you plan to use this in a bedroom. Thankfully, the Shinco Portable AC operates at around 52 decibels, which is comparable to a quiet conversation. It's not completely silent, but it's quiet enough that it won't disturb your sleep or daily activities. Finally, let's not forget about the design. At just over 32 inches tall and weighing about 60 pounds, this AC has a slim, modern look that blends well into most home interiors. The white finish keeps it simple and clean, and it doesn't take up much floor space at all. Overall, the Shinco 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner delivers excellent performance for its price. With its powerful cooling ability, 3-in-1 functionality, smart app control, and easy installation, it checks all the boxes for a reliable home cooling solution. Whether you need to cool a bedroom, living room, or small office, this unit offers both convenience and comfort. If you're looking for a portable AC that is powerful, versatile, and smart-enabled, the Shinco Portable Air Conditioner is definitely worth considering. It's designed to make your summers cooler, your air fresher, and your home more comfortable without adding unnecessary hassle.